anywhere in Africa, any country in Africa, Australia, China, Asia, anywhere in Japan, India, Pakistan, start writing on their names. Come from there. And if you get your people there, then what you're doing? You're also building a multinational business. You can imagine. But let me tell you how much you can build your own multinational company. So that's it. So what Visalus was like health and prosperity. I would say we want to impact people's life, health and prosperity. But surrounding health issue that this company is really for. Because when they looked at the state of America's health, they found that America, although it's the richest, one of the richest countries in the world, they are rated 37 in world health. But don't make this fool out there. Oh, it's America, so why are you telling about it? Because, ladies and gentlemen, we know that what affects America affects the rest of the world. Especially us in Jamaica. We pattern, image the American lifestyle. So you find that we have all the Kentucky Fried Chicken and the Burger King and the Aspen Robbins and all the fast food operations are right here in Jamaica. So what you find is that 60% of the Americans are overweight. And the latest United Nations studies show that 60% of the world's population is actually overweight. So it's almost mirroring what's happening in the United States. Over 300,000 US citizens die every year from obesity. They're staying out of obesity. It has taken over drinking, alcohol, and smoking combined as a leading killer. So it's now bigger than those two combined. So, it's time for a change. It's time for a change. Let me see if I show up on those of you here who know someone who's suffering from cancer. What about diabetes? We all do. We all do. But you know the exciting thing about this, ladies and gentlemen, is that conventional medicine tells us that 70% of the people who are suffering from these diseases could have prevented them by three things: eating right, exercising, and taking a good supplement. 3 things. So if you 10 people who are suffering from any of those things, 10 of them could have prevented it if they had just done that. So you might say, well, I need to go okay. So why should I take a supplement? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we know that the food that my grandparents used to eat is not what we are getting now. So artificial, insecticide, fungicide, all these types of things. They read the food today, they store it for 4, 5, 6 months before you get it. So the nutrient level is not anything like what they used to get. So we need to change all of that. So if you knew of a solution, if you know someone who could help us in dealing with this issue, would you be willing to be a part of it? Yeah. Okay. So let me introduce you to a gentleman who can help us. Dr. Michael Simon. Dr. Michael Simon is among the top 1% of our doctors in the United States by his peers. So it's what we call a doctor's doctor. When doctors don't feel so well, they consult him. But he also consulted all the major league bodies, sporting bodies in the United States, advising them as to how to get their athletes to have optimal health. He has been featured on most of the major networks. But the most fascinating thing about this gentleman is that his research has been funded by the US federal government from over years. You see, ladies and gentlemen, the US and America, it was costing them over 17 and $18 billion per year, or 18% of their budget, $2.3 trillion, that's per year, to deal with those issues, the disease, the cancer, and diabetes. So they wanted to find out if you take the appropriate supplement up front, can it ward off some of these diseases? And so they funded that design and research. And at the end of it, it came up with the result. And then we also take on over 27 years, 25 years of research and development in products. So we have a team dealing with this. And out of that, we have developed some fantastic products. And later on, you'll hear some discussions on what we take this product. We spoke about this obesity as one of the major problems. Yeah, the answer to that. The trimmed shape. TSS for short, because TSS is three of the major problems that people have when they go on diet. One is that you don't get enough nutrition. So, what we have is a nutritional shake. 23 vitamins in this, so that you get all the necessary nutrients that the body needs. And then we have the Visalus. The Visalus is a metabolism booster. You know what the problem is that when you go on a diet, your body interrupts both nice stuff and the diet. So the body starts to start. Slow down the rate at which it burns fat and start to store. So what we do is that when people know this metabolism booster, we can now speed up the rate at which we burn fat. And then another problem, people always have their hunger pattern. They always hungry all the time. They're on a diet. They're hungry. So we have included in this now a mix that will suppress the appetite. So you don't feel the hunger. So we have solved that problem. Simple. So our shake is delicious, nice creamy, genetically one, no genetically modified soy at the base, and it really tastes good. Very nutritious. So that's our answer to the weight loss. If you want to lose weight, you take your replace 2 meals. So the breakfast will be supper. You choose. If you just want to maintain your form, like I try to do, I take one shake, replace a meal occasionally. Right? But the beautiful thing about this shake which I should point out, is that most weight loss products, when you take them, if you lose 5 pounds, you lose 3 pounds of fat and 2 pounds of muscle. Our product is the only one out there that builds muscle. Bodybuilders.
Ops did it again.
You're working out at the gym, so this is the morning before you work out, and after you finish it, you take another one and helps to build the muscle. So no longer you're going to find people on diet getting flabby and all that. They're still beyond that, losing weight, and they're still firm. Great product. And then ladies and gentlemen, the product that's really got us started in this is called the Visalus. It's about omega vital, all the vital oils that our body needs. So the omega 3, 6, and 9 in the right ratio. But in addition to that, we have added also some very essential oils. Flaxseed and pumpkin seed oil. Do you know that Jamaican men have the highest rate of flaxseed cancer in the world?